side of Dominica. It starts in the rainforest by an area called the Emerald Pool. You can see the waterfall over there. It actually comes down into a pool, which we're about to go to. Because of the content of the water, the minerals that are in the water, it makes the pool look very, very blue. That's why it's called the Emerald Pool.
I thought emeralds were green.
Yeah, they are. That's the name, green. Both the deep green colour of it. Also see the vegetation with the roots that are coming down, the aerial roots that are coming down to the ground.
You coming yet?
Something else about Maurice Bissell that I just wanted to add here, and that was the vibes that we got from the Old Islands. It's him, was sort of moving away from this hardcore socialist ideology, and that basically brought about his demise. You see, the other guys like Cord and Austin.
That's an almond tree.
Looks pretty wild because it was trained that way. The top was cut off so that it could be trained that way. Those can be harvested.
Passion fruit.
Wow.
Fleshy.
There's the cashew nuts. Here is the local eggplants. Where the eggs are growing wild.
Yeah, the eggs grow wild.
Outside this house there. Calabash growing on the tree and the pineapples behind.
Look over Jordan, what do I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me. Coming